Greetings, welcome back. Last lesson we talked about controls. We talked about buttons, about text boxes, about arrangements, and all these things over here on the left. Text boxes, images, web viewers, these are all things you can see on the screen. But the one thing we didn't get into was how to make them do things. Say I click this button here, what will happen? At the moment, absolutely nothing. Why? Because I haven't told it to do anything yet. I need to give it some instructions. Now, instructions in App Inventor are what are known as blocks. If you look to the top right hand corner up here, you will see a button saying blocks. Click on it. Now here, on the screen we just saw, you have got a demo button and a demo label. And they're both sitting here, and all their controls are here. Demo button, but at the top, I can say, right, when the button is clicked, or has focus, or has a long click, it's going to do something. And then I can change these features it has by putting those in here. I can change the background colour. I could change the font to make it bold or italic, or make it bigger. I can change what the button says. I can also make it do various things. The label, or the text box on the screen, here again, if it has focus, I click on it, I can do something. But I can also change all these properties of the button, font size, height, make it numbers only, or change the text of it. So, all nice and simple. Later on we'll learn what these things here do. These all contain very powerful things, which I'll just quickly show you now, but we won't go into because that's a later session. So, what to do with this then? Well, my program here, there's a button here. If I give it a quick click, I want it to say AFC Wimbledon, the greatest team in the world, are legends. If I give it a long click, I want it to say God Save the Queen. So, how do we make this happen? Well, let's try this, shall we? Firstly, go to blocks. So, short click was AFC Wimbledon are legends. So when demo button clicked, demo label, I scroll down here and just like Scratch, I drag this into place, set demo label text to. Now, how do I put text on there? Well, which of these options here do you think I would go to set text? I hope you'll guess this, it's text. If I go to text, go to the top, drag that in there, I'm going to make it that AFC Wimbledon, if I can spell it good, are legends. Now, I think just plain text is a bit dull, so I want to make this a bit more special, a bit more exciting. So, I am going to set the font size to be bigger. So set demo label font size to what is font size? Font size is a number. By default it's 14 points, it says here. I want it to be 20 points. Now, where do you think I would get the number 20 from here? That's right, it's in math. Americans like saying math, not maths. But never mind, that's Americans, we still love them. Now, drag that in there, and I'll make this 20. I also want the text to be bold, so come down here, and it should have, where's it gone now? Is there a bold for this? I can't see it anywhere, I thought it was bold. Oh, never mind. So, finally, I want to change the background color. So set demo label background color to, I'm going to make mine blue, which is after all Wimbledon's color. But I have noticed a problem here, which is if I set the background color to blue, I won't be able to read the black text very easily. So I'm going to set the text color, set demo label text color to Wimbledon's own color, which is of course yellow. And that's that one done. So that is the simple short click. But I can also do a long click. So if I do a long click here, I want demo label to say God Save the Queen. So again, set demo label text to text. Just put it down here so we can all see. God save the, if you can spell, the Queen. There we are. I'll capitalise her too. And this time round, I want to change some of the buttons features. So I want the button background colour to become red, a nice royal red. There's a good royal red. Let's use this one. I want the text colour to become yellow again. So I go to colours and sorry, my mistake. Firstly, demo button, set text colour to yellow. So now we have a program sitting here ready to go. So let's build it. Build and save APK to my computer. This of course takes a minute, but I have an emulator sitting here ready and waiting for us to use it in. So I'll press OK while I'm waiting, and we can now install it to this instantly. Okay, we should now see a download box appear. I hope we will anyway. Here we are, there it was. That was it, very quick, very quick. Internet's fast today. So, if I go to the installer, and I go to downloads, fingers crossed, here we are, blocks demo vid, open it, and install APK. It's installing it now to this nice little tablet here, and there it is. It's all installed, all ready to go. So let's look on here. Blocks, thank you help, blocks demo vid. Click on it. There we are. Short click. Hey, there we go. The box used to be bigger of course, but that's a minor point. A long click. God Save the Queen. Again should be longer, and the button has gone red and yellow. So, what did I do? Well, for a start, I had a screen with some controls on it, so I can actually build something. Then, I said, when the button is clicked or long clicked, it's going to do something. So I dragged this onto here, and then I said, the text will become AFC Wimbledon Legends. I set the font size, background colour and text colour, and I used items from these built-in menus here. And then I also did the long click on demo button, change the text to something else, and change the button's colours there. So, I hope that has been useful for you. I hope you are now starting to understand how controls work, and I will look forward to seeing you next lesson. Best of British luck.